Hi you guys, so today I thought we would make a really cool tag with several pockets on it. So let's go ahead and get started. I have these pieces of this leftover file folder. I thought I want to make a big tag with this leftover file folder. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. What I'd like to do is cut it at 6 inches. So what I want to do is I want to then cut this side of it off because I'm going to make it into a regular sized tag. I'm going to go ahead and trim that off. And what I did was I left, like, it's a little over 1/4 of an inch right here on this side of it. I left that gap in between the two pieces because what I want to do is make a little tuck spot in between here, or a little pocket in between here. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some papers. I'm going to need that. I'm going to set that aside. But what I want to do is cover this front piece, and I'm just going to measure it to see what size it is. It's like just over 3.5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some paper, and I'm just using this Tim Holtz paper. And then this is just a little bit dinged right here, but I'm still going to use it. Then what I want to do is make 2 more pieces of paper that go over the top of this. And I'm just using a scrap. And then on this bottom one, I just wanted to cut off enough to see the little village right here. So I'm going to go ahead, and I think I'm going to put that just like that. And then when I put a notch in it, it should be good. So I'm going to go ahead and take the notch first and then glue it. I'm going to go ahead and then notch this one. The only reason I did it like that is just so I could get the image in the right spot that I wanted. But other than that, you don't have to worry about it. I do like that. I'm going to go ahead and ink it up. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim this off just a little bit. Just like that. And I'm not going to put a notch on the top one. You could put a notch on the top one, just because it has the Christmas tree, the name of the song on it. I thought, oh, I'll leave that one without a notch on it. I'm going to go ahead and glue around this. And then now I want to put this on top of this. I'm going to go ahead and ink this side first. Okay, and then on this one, I want to glue on these 3 sides so that I can tuck something in the side here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets so far. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and make it tag shaped. Okay, and then there is a spot right here that doesn't have any glue. I'm going to go ahead and use my art glitter glue. And I don't even think you would have to do this, but I am going to just put a little bit of it in there. Just like that. And this side I'm going to leave it open. But you could do that. You don't have to. I think it's optional. Now I want to go ahead and ink around it. And so of course you don't have to use that file folder. You could use any kind of paper that you want. Just cardstock would be plenty, thick enough. And what I want to do is I want to take some leftover paper and use a whale tail punch and make a whale tail punch at the top. I think I like this. Let's see. Oh, that should fit. Okay, we'll do this one. This is a small piece of paper, so I'm going to have to, normally you just stick it in there, but this is so tiny. So basically you just get it in there folded, and then there you go. Just like that. And so normally if it's a larger piece of paper, it's much easier. Let me show you. I'll just show you on this paper right here. So all you would do is just fold it in half, just like this. And then you would put it into here and line it up however you wanted it. And then do that. And then you just pull it out. I do love that whale tail punch. I use it a lot. Okay, now I'm going to glue this on the top of our little tag. So I went ahead and put it just inside the pocket, just like that. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, so now we have a little tag that we can put whatever we'd like in it. And we can just put something in this front pocket, and then in the middle pocket, and then in the tall pocket in the back, and then in the side pocket. So that is so cool. It has like almost a hidden pocket over here that you don't know was there. I would like that in here. I want to put it on one of these Triple V vintage tags, like that. Oh, look at how cute that is. I think I'm going to put a little bit of twine or something on there. Okay. I think I would like to put that on there. I think that's kind of cool looking. I'm going to go ahead and glue that on there. It's just like a little piece of a doily that's kind of cut off. I'm just going to use the Fabri-Tac to put that on there. I'm going to go ahead and put this on there first. I think I'm going to put this on my little tag first. That's cute. What do we want on the other two pockets? I feel like we might want like a small Tim Holtz person. Let me see what we have. Oh my gosh, these three with their little crowns on. Do we want to put those in here? Oh yes, those are cute. Okay, and then maybe a little ticket. I like it just like this. You can put more stuff in it for sure, but I like it like this. You can write on the back of it, and then you can also write on this piece, on your tag on the back, And then you could actually like fold up some paper and put it in here and make another journaling spot if you like. I love how it turned out. It's so cute, and it has the 3 pockets on it and the 4th little hidden pocket on the side. I love it. All right, you guys, see you next time. Bye.